What is passive income? And not? Allow me to explain. Welcome to KG, the Inspiration Center for Future Billionaires. Regular earnings from a source other than a job or a contractor are considered passive income. Passive income can come from two sources, according to the IRS: rental property or a business in which one is not actively involved, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. Many people think that passive income is about getting something for nothing, says Todd Tresidder, a financial consultant and former hedge fund manager. It has a get-rich-quick appeal. But in the end, it still involves work. You just give the work up front. In practice, you may perform some or all of the work up front, but passive income frequently necessitates some additional effort along the way. In order to keep the passive cash flowing, you may need to keep your product up to date or your rental property well maintained. However, if you stick to the plan, it may be a great method to earn money while also providing you with some financial security. Passive income is not your job. In general, passive income does not come from something in which you have had a material interest, such as earnings from a job. Second job. Getting a second job won't count as a passive income source because you'll still have to show up and work to be paid. Passive income is about generating a steady stream of income without having to put in a lot of effort. Non-income producing assets. Investing in dividend-paying or interest-paying assets can be a great method to produce passive income, but only if the assets you own pay dividends or interest. Stocks or assets that don't pay dividends, such as cryptocurrency, may be intriguing, but they won't provide you with passive income, or will it? If you like this video, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any future videos.